And right now my NFR Forte looks really amazing. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So all this while I have been thinking of getting the front lower lip from my NFR Forte to further enhance the look of my ride. I'm referring to the universal front lip which can be installed on any cars and not the OEM body kit for Car Forte. So all along I don't have any body kit on my car, and the reason why is because my car is lowered 2.5 to 3 inches down from the stock height. So having those body kit on my ride, the chances of me getting the body kit scraping against the road is really high, and it's also heavier because of the material. I don't wish to add on any unnecessary weights on the car. So there are two main concerns of getting the lower lip. First is the shape and design of the universal front lip. It will protrude out from the front bumper, which will cause an issues whenever I'm going up the ramps and going down the ramps. So as you guys can see, the rubber lip which I'm having right now is pretty beat up with all the scuff marks. And second will be the fitment of the front lip. I'm not sure whether it does fit my front bumper. So 2 weeks ago I went to the workshop for a test fitment. And I have decided to install the front lip along with the side skirt, and I have made an appointment with the guys at the workshop. So today I'll be heading to the workshop for the installation. So right now, let's hit the road. Alright guys, right now I made it to the workshop, and right now we are going to install the front lip, side skirt and the rear lip on the NFR Forte. So first of all, we'll need to remove the rubber lip which is on the front bumper. So initially I wanted to install this front lip on my bumper, but it doesn't suit my bumper and there's no way for us to install the lip as the mounting point is out of the way and my bumper is too small for this lip. So I have decided to install the 3-piece lip, which you guys will be seeing later. Alright guys, right now the front lip, the side skirt and the rear lip have been installed on the car, and right now my NFR Forte looks really amazing. Front lip is on, side skirt is on, rear lip is on. Right now everything is on along with the red lining stripes. So this concept is actually came from the Nismo Nissan GT-R, the white R35 with the same red lining stripes at the bottom, and it looks really cool. So right now with the front lip, side skirt, rear lip installed along with the red lining stripes, it has brought up some characteristic out from my NFR Forte, and it looks totally different from previously, and indeed it really gives me the wow factor when I first saw the car with the front lip on. So as you guys can see, the clearance between the front lip and the ground is pretty close. So I gotta be very mindful when I'm driving on those steep ramps and really high bumps, especially in those shopping malls, as the possibility of getting my front lip scraped is really high. So one thing that I really like about the side skirt is the 4 wheels not only flush along with the fenders, it also flush along with the side skirt and the rear lip. This has made my NFR Forte looks absolutely stunning. Yesterday when the guy is installing the front lip, I requested him to mount the lip more inward to the car, and the reason why is because first, I don't want to fail my annual inspection because any part of the lip cannot protrude out from the car. If that's so, I will fail my annual inspection, and second, I don't want to cause any issues whenever I'm driving on those steep ramps. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Right now with those lips added onto the car, it has again enhanced the look of my NFR Forte. I'm super happy, and also please do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, ride safe, drive safe, and bye.
La 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 la.